like our 30th round of Kieran dogs.
Yep. Kieran dogs. Kieran dogs.
So I mean, like, what do you want to do now? Have another round of Kieran dogs?
I don't know. After the 26th one, hey.
Ow.
Hey.
What the hell are you doing? What the hell? Shut up. Shut up. I said shut up.
No. Oh.
You stupid.
No. No, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Finally I fit him in there. Okay. Yeah. He's finally done. What the hell?
I'm gonna kick you in the nuts.
No, you shut up.
No, what are you doing? Oh God, ow.
You're coming with me.
Oh God, not the deep fryer. Ah! I'm being fried. Oh God, no.
See ya in hell.
Not the freezer, no,
See ya in
Are you gonna leave me here?
hell.
No, don't leave me in there. Not the freezer. Get me out of here. Get me out. Get me out.